Right. Okay, I'm going to slow everything down. Okay? Right. A young girl died in the snow outside the rich man's door. She knocked so hard her knuckles bled, but she's not knocking anymore. To hate the rich is nothing new. They've been hated the ages through. I know I hate the rich, don't you? Hate the rich was on the lips of Jesus Christ and John Baptist. Hate the rich is the motto of every child in every ghetto from here to Trenchtown and Soweto. The rich are robbers, cheaters, liars, banking tycoons and big business high flyers, safely behind the security screen. I hate the rich in their long limousine. If you don't hate the rich, I think that you should. I would kill them if I could and bury the bodies in the wood. I'd cap capitalism for good and distribute the wealth throughout the neighbourhood. Hate the rich. Thank you. Okay, yeah. I'd like to dedicate this to Adolf Hitler, Slobodan Milosevic, Joseph Stalin, and everybody else in the room, okay? So it's called Genocide, right? Genocide, genocide, behind the barbed wire wailing, with the shaven head and the smell of dead and dying flesh inhaling. I named the ship Genocide and I set her off a-sailing to murder more than e'er before. Can't you hear her horn hailing? It's genocide, it's genocide. It's man's ultimate crime. It's genocide. It's genocide. One more time. Ship ahoy, shouts a young boy when out on the horizon. Steady as she goes with her cargoes of lies and hate and poison. Here comes the great ship Genocide, hear her engines roar. See the fear and the panic spreading at her killing door. The door flung wide, take a look inside, filing faces bow, with the mark of the beast and the Antichrist emblazoned on their brow. Will they smile no more like spermatozoa? They're doomed to mass extinction. But one might make it through to tell it true and separate the fact from fiction. It's genocide, it's genocide, it's man's ultimate crime. It's genocide, it's genocide. One more time. Who's that man at my gate? Looking up here, I hesitate before jumping to conclusions and genocidal delusions. Check it out, be rational. This is murder international. This time I opened my mouth too wide, and what jumped out was genocide. I'm sorry, man, if it's no funny and it filled the air with acrimony, but don't blame me, I'm just a poet. I simply take the seed and sow it in your mind. You do the rest. 60 billion brain cells process the information, then you decide, cause this is free speech. This is genocide, it's genocide, it's genocide, it's man's ultimate crime, it's genocide, it's genocide. One more time. Thank you. Thank you.
What's happening now?
Don't know. It's all right. I've stopped.
Thinking, what? You're not singing for?
I've stopped. It's okay. You can calm down now. You can come out your mind.
That'd be good.
I seen leave up.
This is still. I don't have to fucking switch it off.